Greetings, my name is Snake Plissken, and today we're going to do a Bronco quick mod. Here's what you're going to receive in your order. I put my key here so you have a reference. Obviously you'll see these on the dash here in just a minute, but you receive a couple rings for your stereo adjustments, a couple for your heating air adjustments. This is going to go on your headlight knob. And then you have a large one here that's for the goat modes. If we take a closer look at these, you can see they have a nice bit of a knurled edge on them, so they give you some grip there. And they're fairly thin. These are just aluminum rings. I have a buddy that said these are spun aluminum probably, but you know, he's more of a metalhead than I am. I'll just throw these on real quick, and you can see really easy to put on. There's only a couple little things that I'm not super thrilled with about these, but I have had these on for quite a while now, and I actually do enjoy them. I think they're actually a pretty cool mod, and they give it a little bit more of a premium feel inside the truck instead of the rubber. So let's check them out and install them. Let's go ahead and install the stereo and the heater fan controls. So you're going to find if one of these does not fit on your stereo knobs, then it's probably the headlight ring. The headlight ring is just a little bit smaller. So you're just going to push these on, and they're a tight tolerance fit, so just push it on slowly. And we'll do that one last because I'm going to cover on there one of the downsides of these. So one of the only two gripes I had about this was, see our little lighted spot here? And this lets us know where we have the dial actually placed, on cold or warm. Well, when you put this ring around here, you're going to be covering that up, so you're not going to be able to tell where it's at. Now, if you just go all the way to the edge, it's going to stop. So you'll know, oh, I'm all the way on hot, or I'm all the way on cold. So pretty easy to figure out where you're at. Now, one thing you could do when you put this on there is you could actually put a black mark right here, some sort of mark, so that you'll know where it is on the dial. I haven't needed to do that because it'll stop. You pretty much know where you're at, but that would solve that problem by just putting a little mark there where it would actually line up with the lighted portion on the ring. We're going to put the goat mode ring on next, and here's where the second problem comes in. You can see when you spin the goat mode knob, only the center section moves. The top does not. So your goat mode ring here has a lip on the top. So when we're going to press fit this down, if you put it down all the way, that top lip is actually going to be coming in contact with that when you turn it, and it's going to rub it. And you're not going to want that. After a while, it's going to actually wear that paint off. It's not going to look good. It's going to be a problem unless you just leave it on there forever. But I found if you just don't press it down all the way, it won't come in contact, and then it's clean. It turns clean, and it's not rubbing on the top anymore. So if that's a problem for you, you could either leave this part of the kit off or do what I did and just not press it down all the way. And last and certainly least, here's the headlight ring. This easy. So, if you like this video, if you want to check out more, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll be putting out as many videos as I can as more parts come in. Cheers!